If you've ever got frustrated when you're in Adobe Express and you have your logo and you just want to download it with that transparent background, you hit download, you've got PNG selected, but when you download, it downloads it with a white background. That's because when you automatically open up a new template design in Adobe Express, it always defaults to this white background. To remove that, what you have to do is click on background colour. You want to select this box here that says no fill with the red diagonal line through it. And now you'll notice when you've selected that, it's changed the background to this grey and white checkered pattern, which means the background is now transparent. So if I now click on download, you'll notice the PNG file now says transparent PNG best for images, so you know that when you download it, it isn't going to have a background. And I can quickly show you how that works in practice. If we click on the second page, I've gave it a pink background so we can see that it's transparent. I'm going to go to my uploads folder and click on the logo, and now when I've brought it in, we can see that the background is in fact transparent. And that's how you make sure that anything you download does not have a background in it.